Hey guys, Dynamite647 here, and in this video we are going to take a look at the Google night sight mode. This is a new mode for the Google camera, so you can take pictures in low light and get some amazing results. Here I have it installed on the Google Pixel 2. I'm going to provide the link for the APK in the description below, and credit goes to an XJ developer who unlocked it prior to Google releasing this mode on their Pixel 3 phones. Now once you install the app, it's gonna you're gonna see an icon. It's called the camera P3. Once you open it, you'll see the new interface. This is what all the Pixel phones are going to get actually. So right now I'm in the basement and it's really dark, so what I'll do is I'll take a picture with the regular mode. Right now this is with the regular mode, and the flash is, I think, gonna kick in because it's so dark. So let's go ahead and take a picture with that. And as you can see, the flash kicking. So what I'm gonna do is turn it off, the flash itself, and it does show you, it's dark. Try the night mode, but I'm going to take a regular picture. And what we're going to do is, when you click on more, click on the night option. So this is where the night sight kicks in much better. So let's go ahead and take a picture with the night sight, and it does take a while. It has to collect some light. It has exposure. It does it over a longer exposure time. So and this time will depend on how much light is there. So looking at this picture now, it's quite a bit of difference. I mean, it's night and day. Amazing what Google has done here. You can actually read the text on here at the bottom of the screen, and overall I think this is a usable picture. Now it is a bit grainy, but compared to the original one, and if you go back to the picture I took with the flash, it's too bright, there's too much light, you can't read the text at the bottom. So night sight is phenomenal. What Google can do with software, a single camera, and actually you can port this onto other phones. It's just amazing. What we'll do is go and take a look at some pictures I took at nighttime, and compare them, and you'll see the difference. For now, before we dive into the pictures, I was just using the device handheld, just like anyone would, and I would just go up, take a picture like anybody else. Everything was in auto. Now it was pretty dark here in the house. There's a tiny bit of light actually coming from the bottom in this scene. So this is without the night sight, and look at the difference here. You can actually see all the detail. It's retained all the detail. The software here is amazing what they're doing here. You can see the shadows are really well kept, and overall this is a really good picture. If you go to this next picture, again the first picture is with the regular camera mode, and you can see it's quite dark. Now it is pretty late in the evening. It's around 8 o'clock. The sky looks brighter than it actually is, but this is just because of light pollution. If you look at the picture, this is with night sight, and you can see the curtains retain their color. It almost looks like it's daytime outside, and again the shadows inside are kept really well. So on the left side you have it is a picture, you're not looking at a black background. This was taken in complete darkness. There was almost no light. With night sight you can actually see the poster, you can read Angry Birds, and this software or this mode can pick the tiniest bit of light and does whatever it has to do to get you that picture. So it is a bad picture, it's grainy, but it's still amazing how with complete darkness it did this. Again, on the left side, another picture. Even the regular camera does a good job, I would say, but then you look at the right side with the night shot, it's just phenomenal. The detail is there, everything is good. It is a bit grainy though, but still amazing. Another shot again, and look at this. You can see all the details. Actually the color of the AC units you see, and the grass and the plants, it's 100% accurate. The bricks, nothing is, the only thing is that is blown out is those lights in the back where the yellow tree is on that house, but everything else is just perfect. The shadows, the detail, everything is there. Again, same thing with the night shot. Now in this case I think I would prefer the left picture over the one with the night side because it is a bit too bright, but here's a close-up of a solar light, and then with night side you can see how amazing it is. Just a single lens, remember, no 4 cameras in the back, single lens. Again, in this case I think I'd prefer the original shot because you can see the detail inside the light itself, and it's doing a good job of blurring the background. This is not a portrait shot by any means. Over here it's a bit too bright, but still it's amazing how you can still see some of the detail in the light itself. Phenomenal. So it was raining, dark on the original one on the left, on the right. Look at the amount of detail you get. Perfect. Now color wise I think this is a bit more it's toned down the color quite a bit here. This is what the left side was more close to what it was in real life, color wise. Again, now in this picture was quite a bit dark, like really dark. And look at that, look at the detail on the bricks, and look at all the shadows, and nothing is over sharp and everything is nice, and you know, just the right amount of smoothness. You can almost read the text on the little panel here. Close up of a fence on the left and on the right, you can see all the detail in the fence now. And again, it's doing a great job at blurring everything out in the back. Now this was quite a bit darker as well, and there you go, a messy garden. In the next video I'm going to be comparing Google's night side mode versus Galaxy 9 Plus, and see how those two compare. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, do subscribe.